I think they're back. I want to wear a dress, but I don't really have any like fall business casual dresses. I guess I'll wear pants and a shirt. One thing about black and white, you can actually wear anything with it. That green though, or a green, I gotta have shoes to match with it. Easy. Just keep it simple. And just wear a black cami. My husband's home this morning. He got my daughter up. I would say I need to take my time, but not only did I sleep longer, I overslept. I was so exhausted last night. So let's get changed real quick. This is what I'm wearing. I have all these pieces on my face from the serum I just put on. It's weird. Let me hurry up. I am getting to the point where time is running out, so I'll get back on camera once I get my bonnet and all that stuff off. Actually, let's go put on our fragrance first because I just put on the Aquaphor, and this also helps your fragrance last a long time. And while I'm in here, let's just put that fragrance on. All right. So it's very simple today. Today is Perfect in Pink from Bath and Body Works. And then the other thing is just Burberry Her, but it's oil. These to me last a lot longer than perfume because it's oil based. And I got this from the Wellington Mall. There's a store in there. You can get wax melts. The wax melts last a good bit. You can get so many different things and they just recreate different fragrances. So I thought that was cool. I'll be right back. All right, so we gotta do a quick little 1-2 makeup. There's no such thing as quick 1-2 makeup, especially if you're doing your brows. But luckily for me, I used the Beard Club. It's a 1-day beard color, but I use it for my eyebrows. And it lasts all day. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. But it literally just adds, it just makes the hair thicker by filling it in easier. Y'all leaving? Probably leave right after. Yeah. Bye, cutie. I'll see you later.
See you later.
I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Say bye. Drive safe. You coming back here after?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to keep tissue in here. Normally I use the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. I'm just use Haus Labs today. Then spray my face. Blush and finishing powder. Okay, I think that, oh, no, I was gonna say that's it. No, lashes, duh. I need another lash curler. Another L'Oreal Classic Extensionist. That's it. Let me add my sweater. I'm gonna put on the same body spray. Get going. Anything else I need to bring? Okay, I'm bringing this with me just because it's easier. I hate bringing my other fragrances just because, like, I want to be able to put it back. Oh, I didn't take nothing out last night. All right. You know what? I'm already running late, so I'm not about to, like, go crazy. I'm gonna make a quick little coffee. The thing is with this coffee, I need to find something to stick in there. I need to clean it because last time only a quarter of this stuff Okay, what about this? Okay, throw this out. Fill this up. And you get a Christmas cup. See? Mind you, it's nowhere near filled. No. That's the thing about Nespresso's, like the machine. I don't want to keep having to call unless there's a, I highly doubt there's a firmware update. But normally it'll go all the way up. I only got like half the coffee. See, I don't want to keep brewing it and the next thing you know, that shit is like watery. I gotta get going. I'm over here lollygagging. That's disgusting. That's fucking disgusting. Oh my gosh. Yeah, something's wrong with that shit. Let me go, because I'm over here lollygagging. I'm just going to take my creamer with me. And yeah, because that's crazy. Take my water. All right, well, there's nothing much that I could freaking do. This is my bag. Normally I wear the base bag, but this one, I'm able to carry everything in my bag comfortably. Let's go. My husband said he's coming back here, so I don't have to worry about closing the lights. This is, I was gonna say, this is the lip mask I was telling you guys about. Y'all already know. Getting the straight shoes, because I have on slippers. I am so sore. I'm so glad today's rest day. The only thing I'm doing today is just walking. Fuck. This damn shoe holder messed up. Turn the car on. Okay. When it gets cold, that start the car early button, or even just a button. It's a whole app that I can just start. I have everything. I have my phone. Yep. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's turn this AC off. It's not cold, but the maintenance guy, he's being nosy, but I'm being nosy too. Trying to figure out why the neighbor's garage look like that. I can't stand people who don't, I don't want to say appreciate their environment, more so of their belongings. Like, how do you live somewhere and you mistreat it the way you do? You know what I mean? It's just, but hey, everyone's different. I'm running so late, but I'll see you guys at work. I'm trying to think of what I want to eat. But all right, see y'all later. We made it home. I'm on the phone with my husband, but I noticed when I was coming through the garage, there was a shit ton of those little worms. So I just got the blow dryer and I blew dry some of the bugs out of the way. Cause I'm not working out tonight, but I'm like, I don't want to keep them in here because apparently when they're dead, it attracts more to come. So I'm like, oh no, y'all gotta get the fuck up out of here. I just took my daughter a shower. Y'all, how long did it take y'all to potty train y'all kid? Because listen, my daughter's at this point where she's taking grown woman poops. Them things be stank. Stank. Okay? So I had her immediately take her a shower. Because that was ridiculous. That type of poop where you just, nope. You gotta go in the bath, girl. You gotta go in the bath. I gotta take her bath. So my husband is coming home with some meal preps from our good friend who is a chef. Check him out if you're in the Palm Beach County, Florida area. He does all meal prepping, and he's a professional chef, not just a chef because he says he's a chef. He's a professional chef. And he's doing all our meal prepping, and it does truly help when it comes to having meals already prepared because it keeps you consistent, it keeps you on track. So we didn't have any more meals since I think Saturday, Sunday, and yesterday, Monday. Yeah, we didn't have any meals, so we kind of slacked a bit. Um, and to be quite honest with you, I literally could have went to Ideal Nutrition and got some meals, but you get to a point where you get sick and tired. You know what I mean? But today I was good. I had a salad today. So I was like 400 calories. I mean, I'm calorie counting in my deficit because I really do want to try to lose this weight. But it takes years. None of this, when it comes to weight loss, it could take up to a year. No, not up to a year. It could take at least a year, for you to really see a huge difference. But you'll start to see some sort of a difference after like 90 days. And October and November is when I was really consistent. But yeah, it could take a while. And I should know this. But of course, when it happens to you, you want it to immediately want the weight loss to go. But it doesn't happen that way. The same way I used to tell people when they used to come up to me about like, how can I lose this weight? It's like, it takes time. Duh, Natalie. So it is frustrating. So I understand. You know, I used to always be that type of person. Like, it'll never happen to me. It's genetics. Well, sometimes them genetics don't be genetic, but you have to help your body out. You can't be out here just eating junk after junk after junk and think that your body's gonna bless you with shape. Now, granted, there's people like that, but you have to feed it good and it'll reward you good. You know what I mean? So if I'm constantly putting junk in my body and I'm not exercising, yeah, it's nothing good comes out of that, right? So, but if I'm feeding it whole foods and the nutritious meals that it needs in order to give me that type of energy to push through and to work out, then yeah, I'll start to see a difference. So, you know, I know a lot of people tell me, give yourself grace, and I get that, but I would like it to happen right away, but it doesn't happen that way. But eventually, you know, I will look back and be like, dang, which I have, you know. I don't know if I am going to insert a picture. If I do, I'll put one here. I came from that to this. And there's a huge difference. You never know until you put a picture side by side. Like, dang, I lost the weight, or I gained some weight, or I grew booty. Yeah, that's my rant right now. I'm just waiting on hubby to come home. I think we're gonna put up lights tonight once we put baby girl down, which would be great. What the heck is this? Penguins in that car. She has a stuffed penguin that she loves. Matter of fact, I'm glad she reminded me because I'm writing down everything that I want to get her for Christmas, and one of them is another penguin. So that should be exciting. So anyway, you guys, I'll talk to you guys later. We're just gonna chill and watch Miss Rachel. Okay, we got some more meals. Yeah, this looks so good. Like, eating healthy does not have to be boring. Take pictures. Yay, yay. You can grab my camera. My camera. Make sure I got an SD card in here. Yep, I do. So yeah, I'm bringing a flash and my camera because I like to take pictures for him so he could use on his social media. And when I make his website, that way I could use some of those photos that I already took. So yeah, these are the meals. I'm telling you, eating healthy never has to be boring. I'm super excited for these. So excited. It's 10 meals. So weight loss is always going to be nutrition first. So always make sure that you're eating healthy in order for you to meet your goals. So I'm about to heat one up, and me and my daughter are going to eat one together. Probably the fish one. To be quite honest, she'll probably eat a little bit because I know she's sleepy. But I'm about to post a quick little reel. Or not reel, but a quick little video. And I'll see you guys once I'm about to put her down. One thing I've learned, my body does better when I eat before 8 o'clock. Emery, come here. Come get this last bite. Come eat. Watch where you're walking. You know, I can't even get mad because I mock people a lot, so. Come here. Emery. Hey.
1, 2, 3.
I know a lot of people eat the skin of the salmon. I can't do that. I can't do it. Now, granted, I'm not saying I never have, because you can't take all of it off. This was perfect, and then you add a little bit of avocado in there. I was about to scoop everything up. Let me get a last scoop to my daughter. Is this hot water? I forgot to get back on with y'all. I showered. I did not do my skincare, which is easy. It's just a retinol night.